Hi! Today's style that I'm going to show you is a rope twist star. This style is perfect for the 4th of July and it's pretty easy to do, so let's get started. To start, we're going to create some ponytails. So at the very top of the head, make a square just right around the crown of the head. And we're going to brush that hair back and put it into an elastic, just right at the back of that section of hair. Now from the left side of that ponytail part down to the ear, you're going to make another section of hair and then just brush that out again and add another elastic right in the middle of the section towards the back. Do the same thing on the right side, go down to the ear, comb it out, add an elastic, and now we're going to create two pigtails. So just go right down the center of the head from that elastic on top, brush that hair out into a ponytail, and just do it kind of low on the head near the neck because we want this star to cover the whole back of the head. So add an elastic there and then do the same thing on the right side. So now we have all 5 of our ponytails, the top 3 and the bottom 2. We're going to start with the top middle ponytail, divide it into 2 pieces, and we're going to do a rope twist here. So divide it in half into 2 sections. And to create this braid, you're going to twist the pieces to the right, each piece, and then cross them over the left. So twist them to the right, cross them over the left, all the way down. I'm going to add a link right here just to show you how to do a rope twist braid. You could also do a 3-strand braid if you would like to. It's totally up to you. Once you get to that bottom left corner, just secure it with a clip. And with that second section on the right side, do the exact same thing. Twist the sections to the right, cross them over the left, and do that all the way down to the bottom right ponytail and add another clip just to hold it in place. Now we're going to go to that ponytail on the left side. We're going to do the same thing, split it in half. With that top section, do another rope twist all the way across. And instead of adding a clip here, we're going to secure that braid to the ponytail on the far right side. So once you reach it, just get an elastic and just go over the top of that other ponytail with that elastic. Now go back to that left ponytail in the bottom section and do the same thing, do a rope twist, but this time do it to the bottom right ponytail. And once you get to that ponytail, we're going to secure both of those braids, the one that was clipped, take the clip out, and you're going to secure both of those braids to that bottom right ponytail with an elastic. So add an elastic here, and then I also decided to add a ribbon right here as well. So you can do whatever color ribbon you want. You don't have to do a ribbon at all. It's totally up to you. Now go to the ponytail on the right side, and this is our last one. So do another rope twist braid, go to the bottom left ponytail. Once you get there, take that clip out that holds the other braid in place and secure both of those braids to that bottom left ponytail. And do the exact same thing, just add an elastic and add a bow. And that is it. I always like to get a comb just to comb out those ponytails. You can add a braid to the ponytails, you could do buns, whatever you choose to do. And this is the final style. I really love doing this style for the 4th of July. It's so easy to do and my girls just love it. And I hope that you guys enjoy recreating it on your own. Thank you so much for watching. We love creating video tutorials for you and we hope that you enjoy watching them and recreating these styles on your own. Please subscribe above and you can also click above if you want to see some of our past tutorials. We have so many to choose from. We'll see you on our next video. Bye!